Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. I've got a box from Amazon. I ordered a graphics card, a GTX 1050 Ti for my desktop. Let's open it. Yeah! Here it is, GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. I bought this in Japan for about $123 US. I currently have a GTX 750 in my computer. I do a lot of video editing and I have a lot of software in my computer, so I needed an upgrade. Check out this Japanese guy with sunglasses. Looks mysterious. Four gigabytes of memory, 128 bits, GDDR5, boost 1392 megahertz, 7000 megahertz. PCI Express 3.0 times 16. DisplayPort, HDMI, DVI-D. 2 slots. Game ready drivers. As you can tell, it is brand new. Okay, let's open it. The outer box is ripping. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I'll just open this box. This is what I want. Nice, mysterious black box. Ooh. It really looks mysterious. So it's bubble wrapped. One manual, NVIDIA GeForce graphics card, quick installation guide. Okay, it's multi-language. Perfect. The official seal. I'm going to break the official seal. Caution, electrostatic sensitive devices. I'm going to ground myself. Okay, I've done it. Ooh, check this out. One large fan. GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. Wow. Here's an HDMI port. Nice. This cover is made out of hard plastic. I'm so excited to install this. GeForce. English is on page 1. Here. Page 1. Insert the driver DVD into DVD-ROM drive. I didn't see a DVD, but that's no problem. I can download it. Yep. Yep. Nothing else came with it, just that. Yep. Yep, that's it. So, let's get to my computer. You're looking at my desktop, and you can see that I have a lot of applications. I'm going into this CPU ID. I've got a double monitor. I'm going to show you what I have installed. I have an Intel Core i5 2400. My motherboard is an Asus Tech P8B 75-M. It's old. And my memory, I have 2 DDR3 sticks totaling 16 gigabytes. And my graphics, it's a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 750 Ti. It's time to do a swap. I'm having problems mainly with video editing. I'm using Power Director. I have at least 2 options. I could upgrade the CPU to an i7 or upgrade the graphics card. And that's what I've chosen to do. Upgrade the graphics card. Here I go. You're looking at my personal desktop tower that I built. It's dusty. I'm going to remove my graphics card. Here it is. Oh, it's so dirty. It says Galaxy GeForce GTX 700 series, PCI Express 3.0. And on the back, here's a sticker that says GTX 750 Ti. It's legit, don't worry. Anyway, it's time to do a swap. And here is the brand new graphics card. GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. Out with the old, in with the new. Look at the difference. Time to install it. And then to update the drivers. Okay. Okay, I'm going to insert it this way. This goes out this way. The fan is down here. Sorry, you professional geeks out there. You guys will criticize me for the wiring. I know, there's not much space. Fits. Wait. Give it a nice push in. It's locked in. Nice. And screw this back in. Here it is. Okay, now it's time to reconnect everything. I might have to upgrade this as well. But anyway, I'm going to get to it. Look at the size of everything. Holy cow, I'm going to my desktop. Go to display settings. I'm going to change this to 1360 by 768. That looks a little bit big. Okay, 1920 by 1080. Okay, for now, and then now I need to go into NVIDIA. I have a GeForce. GeForce 10 series? Yep. There it is. So it's product series GeForce 10 series, product GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. And I'm running Windows 10 64-bit. Download. It's done. And go to the graphics. Yes, it is installed. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. Perfect. Success.